Hello guys, today we are going to start a new tutorial series on my channel. It will be based on some very important concepts related to how to store and handle data stored in a computer. We will make a tutorial on Advanced Data Structure Lab, or in some other cases it is called File Structure Lab. These two subjects are being handled under Bangalore University in India. I'll start by talking about some pre-requirements before we begin this tutorial. You should have some basic knowledge in programming language, especially in object-oriented programming, how to read and write to a file and how to create and handle an object. Mainly we are going to use C++ language for our tutorial. Before we start this tutorial, I'd like to say a background about myself. My name is Safwan Mahmoud As-Sului from Yemen. I hold a bachelor in software engineering from Taiz University. I have worked for 2 years as a software engineer at Samatic in Yemen. I have conducted there many projects related to the market in Yemen. For example, accounting system, sales management system, hospital information management system, and some other small projects related to my work. Also, I have been a teacher assistant at University of Science and Technology in Yemen. I have taught so many subjects there, including some programming language and some software engineer concepts. And currently I am a student of MCA under Bangalore University. Some other tutorials that I have done in my channel, you can check them out, including tutorials in Arabic about C, C#, Python, and databases. You can check them out at this link, youtube.com/Safwan As-Sului. Now, we are going to discuss these programs one by one. Before that, I'd like to tell you what are the contents that we are going to cover. We have 8 programs in our syllabus, and these programs, the first one, it will be about how to handle standard output and input using redirections and pipes. We know how to handle these fields and records in there. The second program, it will be about how to manage fixed length records in a file, how to implement this back and back modify and search method. The third one, it will be about the same as fixed length, but this one, the third one, it will be about variable length records. We'll know the difference between fixed length and variable length in details. The fourth program, it will be about RRN, which is relative record number. And the fifth one, it will be about how to manage or how to handle simple index on primary key in a file. We'll use this add, search, and delete functions. The sixth one, it will be about same as fifth, but this one about secondary key. Seventh one is about how to manage two lists of names and how to use this consequential match using loop, and we'll know in details about this. The last program that we are going to talk about or make a series about, it will be about k-way merge algorithm with k is equal to 8. In each tutorial or in each lesson, I'm going to make an introduction about the theory part to get the whole concept that you need to understand the program. Then after that, I will use my C++ IDE to implement the program line by line. So whatever I am going to write, you can see it in live. And last thing before we finish, we have a code that says it is easy to learn programming, but it is hard to program. What I mean by this, I can easily teach you how to write the syntax of a program using the if-else, using the loops, the functions, whatever related to our programs. But unless you don't know the way to think about the right algorithm to implement in your program, nobody else can help you. Before start coding the program, you should have a clear vision about your algorithm, the procedure that you are going to use inside your project or your program. After getting this, for example, as an algorithm or as a flowchart about the whole concept of the program, then you can easily implement that using any programming language. So that's it for the introduction about this series. I hope that you all find this very important. And in case you like my tutorials, you can like, share, and subscribe these videos among your friends and classmates. Thank you for now, and I'll see you in the next video.